Hey there. If your circuit breaker keeps tripping, I've got you covered. Let's figure out what might happen and how to fix it. First off, there could be a short circuit in your wiring or an appliance. When this happens, the breaker trips to keep you safe because it's sensing an electrical surge. Start by unplugging everything on that circuit and resetting the breaker. If it trips again, you might have a wiring problem, and I'd recommend calling an electrician to check it out. Better safe than sorry. Now, if the breaker trips right after you plug in an appliance, that could be a sign the appliance itself is faulty. Try plugging it into a different circuit and see what happens. If the breaker trips again, it's probably time to get that appliance repaired or replaced. Another reason could be overloading the breaker. Breakers have a limit to how much current they can handle, and if you're plugging in too many high-power devices, like a space heater, microwave, or fridge all on the same circuit, that's too much. The breaker will trip to protect your home from overheating. What you should do is spread out those high-power devices across different circuits. If your electrical needs have grown, maybe it's time to have an electrician take a look and upgrade the system. Lastly, sometimes the problem is the breaker itself. If it trips randomly and nothing seems wrong, the breaker might be worn out. In that case, it's best to get an electrician to replace it. So remember, circuit breakers are there to keep you safe. If they trip, there's usually a good reason. Just follow these steps, and you'll be back up and running safely.